Hi everyone, here we've got a WIEPPO S5 and let me show you how to enter autocorrection options in this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and let's choose the settings. Here let's scroll down and find languages and input, and here we've got virtual keyboard, so let's tap on it. Now let's choose the keyboard and click on text correction. As you can see here, we've got autocorrection option, and in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and from now on this device will correct words while typing. As you can see here, we've got a lot of options to customize. For example, we can block offensive words, show emoji suggestions, or show suggestion strip. If you want to turn on something, simply tap on the switcher, and to turn it off, do the same. So that's all. This is how to enter autocorrection options in your WIEPPO S5. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.